Right after about age of 40 to 50, you can expect your mental powers to decline. False. How many of you thought that might have been true? Why?
Because we've heard it forever.
That's right. That's exactly right, because we've heard it in the media. We hear it in society. We've got this myth. Now, number 2, memory loss is a natural part of the aging process.
False.
False. That's another one of those myths that's floating around there. We can actually work on building our capacity to memorize and learn things, and we're going to learn about that when we learn about mental fitness.
Mental fitness, the workout for your brain. Mental fitness is based on the work of Professor Marge Engelman.
I worked a number of years with a community down south of Madison with people in their 70s, 80s, and 90s, and they would try almost everything, and then they were often amazed at how it came out. We invented poetry, and we looked at works of art, and they'd tell me they didn't like that kind of stuff, and then we'd look at it for a while, and they'd change their minds. So it was fun, and they helped each other, which was interesting.
Research with aging nuns shows that mental activity is associated with reduced mental decline and increased longevity.
It stimulates your brain, and by stimulating your brain, you're all stimulating other body functions. It's not just your brain alone. It's the whole body that's healthier.
Aerobics of the mind put Marge's ideas and experiences down on paper, but it was just the beginning.
It occurred to me that many people would pick up a set of cards that wouldn't pick up a book.
The result is mental fitness cards for healthy adults and less complicated thinking cards for those with mild cognitive impairment.
Some of the cards really focus on left brain. Left brain is more related to math and logic and diagrams and triangles and that sort of thing. But then there are cards that have to do with art and music and color, and those are in the right brain. It's good for people when they use the cards to try to do some of both.
These cards are great with one-on-ones. You have a resident or a loved one that needs one-on-one attention. These cards are great.
The Mental Fitness Instructor's Guide organizes the cards into 8 themes. Each theme contains several activities. Themes and activities can be chosen according to the abilities of the participants and the time available. Cognitive adaptations are included to enhance